Hello there. Welcome to another unboxing. Today I'll be unboxing... I forget what edition of Parcel this is. I want to say it's May's. I believe it's May's edition of Parcel. I believe the theme for the Parcel and CryptoCast was Mortal Kombat. The letter first. Struggling. And I'll be able to find the letter first. Whew. Another zombie ghost slime candy, which I've had before. Pretty good. Maybe it's down here. Nope, I feel it. I think I feel it. Not sure I do. If there even is. I feel it. I got it. Finish him! Welcome to the Mortal Kombat edition of the Parcel of Terror. If you're anything like me, you probably played this game in awe because the fatalities that each character performed were mind-blowing at the time. The other thing that grabbed my attention were the multitude of color-swapped ninjas. Each had a different color palette and was given a unique abilities. I can't say why it was so attention-grabbing exactly, but I still really like the dynamic it creates within the game. I don't think I ever really was good at getting the fatalities to work in Mortal Kombat. So I do remember playing it though, but I never was good at any fatalities. I sucked at that. Let's see what we got. Looks like this is one of the ninjas. I want to say this is like the frost color ninja. If it'll focus, I think it's focused. There's his back. Sorry, that's gonna bug me. Yeah, I'll worry about it later. There's the artwork for that one. I don't know if there are different colors on there for each one. I think there's more than one. This is oh, what color that is. That's cool. I like the eyes on that one. Yeah, no. Let's see. Up. Something else in here. I feel it. Ooh. I believe this is a sticker, which I'll put on my lunchbox or on my cabinet that now has all the CryptoCast in there. Come on, I can feel something else. An art print, which I will definitely be putting on the wall behind me there. I don't know who exactly that's of, but something. Let's see what other colors are there. Up. It's like a purple ninja. Colors are really cool on this one as well. And I believe... Oh. Yeah, Cryptocurium business card. Of course, you should definitely always go, I'll link it down below where to go, but you should definitely subscribe to the Parcel and CryptoCast. They're awesome. Here is an orange-colored ninja. And then, double check, make sure that's everything. Yep. And this says, included this month, Ninja CryptoCast 3-pack, the 3 original ninjas, Scorpion, Sub-Zero, and Reptile, cast in different resins and finishes, comes bagged and tagged with custom topper. Folks who subscribe to both Parcel of Terror and CryptoCast will receive a randomly inserted secret ninja, Smoke Rain Amarak? I believe that's how you say that? Or Noob Cybot? I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. Mortal Kombat Dragon symbol sticker, the logo from the game as a high quality vinyl sticker. Your Soul is Mine print. Brandon Zimmerman brings us this recreation of Shang. Oh crap, I'm gonna butcher that last one. Tu Sung's soul sucking fatality from Mortal Kombat 2. The next month is Terrors of the Deep. Anyways, if you like the video, make sure to leave a like, leave a thumbs up. Yeah, I don't know what I'm thinking. Anyways, leave a like, share it with your friends, and that'll be all.